If you're seeing a Squarespace system error, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to check whether the problem is on Squarespace's side and how to test your browser so you can get back into your site safely. This is especially useful if your dashboard is loading slowly, pages won't save, or you keep running into an error message while editing. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and website tips. Now let's get into it. First, open a new browser tab and go to the official Squarespace status page. This is the best place to start because it tells you whether Squarespace is currently having an issue across the platform. Once the page loads, look for the live status metrics, especially site loading and site editing. These two checks are the most important ones when you're dealing with a system error inside Squarespace. If you see a banner that says partial outage or service disruption, that usually means the issue is not on your computer. It means Squarespace is already aware of the problem and your site data may be locked in a queue while their team works on a fix. In that case, the safest thing to do is avoid saving changes, avoid editing pages, and avoid repeatedly refreshing the dashboard. It can be tempting to keep trying, but if the platform is unstable, waiting is usually the best move. The Squarespace engineering team will typically resolve the issue automatically once the outage is fixed. Now, if the status page does not show a major outage, the next step is to run what I call the Incognito test. Open a clean browser window using Incognito mode on Chrome or private mode on your browser of choice. Then try logging back into your Squarespace site from that fresh session. This helps you figure out whether the problem is caused by your browser data, extensions, or stored cookies. If the Incognito dashboard works smoothly, that's a strong sign the issue is local to your regular browser. In that case, go back to your primary browser and clear the cache, cookies, and local web history for Squarespace. This refreshes the stored data that may be interfering with your login or editing experience. After clearing that data, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign in again to test whether the error is gone. If you can access Squarespace normally after that, great. You've likely fixed the issue. If not, it may still be a temporary platform problem, or there could be another browser-related conflict that needs more troubleshooting. Either way, checking the status page first and then testing with Incognito gives you a fast, reliable way to narrow down the cause without making the problem worse. So to recap, first check the official Squarespace status page for outages, then test in Incognito or private browsing, and finally clear your cache and cookies if the clean session works. That sequence will save you time and help you avoid unnecessary changes while Squarespace is experiencing a system error. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.